Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying a restore point and preparing the system. Open Control Panel, go to Recovery, then open System Restore. Pick a recent restore point. Once done, save work and close applications so the restore can modify system files safely. Make sure to suspend BitLocker or other disk encryption if enabled, because restoration can fail when drives are locked. Also plug in your laptop or attach a UPS to prevent power loss, since interruptions corrupt the process. You now run the restore. Choose the restore point and click Scan for affected programs so you know what will change. This explains why some apps may require reinstall. After reviewing, click Next and then Finish to start. The system will schedule the restore and automatically reboot into the restore environment. During this phase, the tool replaces registry and system files, so make sure you do not interrupt power or press keys. Let Windows complete the sequence until it restarts to the desktop. Once Windows restarts, you verify success by checking system stability and confirming the restore point date in System Protection. Re-enable BitLocker or disk encryption and reinstall any programs the scan reported as removed. Update drivers in Device Manager to prevent conflicts. If the restore fails, do not panic. Boot into safe mode or the Windows recovery environment and run System Restore again, or use a different restore point. This works because safe mode loads minimal drivers that avoid the conflicts blocking restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.